Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a step-by-step process on how to download an Instagram Reel. Whether you want to save a funny video, a dance performance, or an inspiring clip, this full guide has got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Instagram on your device. Locate the Instagram app icon and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're in the Instagram app, navigate to the reel that you want to download. You can scroll through your feed or visit a specific user's profile to find the reel you're interested in. Step 3. On the reel screen, look for the paper plane icon, which represents the Share button. Tap on it to open the sharing options. Step 4. From the sharing options, tap on Copy Link to copy the link of the reel to your device's clipboard. Step 5. Now, switch to the Telegram app on your device. Open Telegram and go to your saved messages, or any chat where you want to save the reel. Step 6. Paste the copied link from Instagram into the chat or the saved messages section in Telegram. Step 7. Before the Instagram part in the link, add DD so that the link becomes https://www.ddinstagram.com/thereelslink. This will enable the Instagram Reel to be processed in the MP4 format. Step 8. Once you have modified the link, send the message or save it. The Instagram Reel will be processed and made available for download in MP4 format. Step 9. Now, tap on the download button or the download option, provided in Telegram, to save the Instagram Reel to your device's gallery. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you download Instagram Reels effortlessly. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tricks.